Welcome to the Arc Home Designer channel, where we explore the fascinating world of interior and exterior design, bringing inspiring ideas to transform your home. You don't need a big yard or a huge budget to create magic. Just a vision, a few smart design tricks, and a touch of creativity. Let's explore how you can give your small patio a stunning makeover without breaking the bank. Making the most of every inch. Use vertical gardening ideas like wall planters, ladder shelves, or hanging baskets to maximize space. These not only free up floor area but also create a lush, layered effect that brings life to your patio walls. Choose compact furniture with hidden storage or foldable designs to keep your patio organized and functional. This allows you to enjoy open space while maintaining a clean, elegant look. Play with mirrors and reflective surfaces to visually expand your space. A well-placed mirror can make even the smallest patio feel open and airy, giving it a refreshing sense of depth. Choosing budget-friendly plants with big impact. Opt for resilient, low-cost plants like succulents, ferns, or small ornamental grasses that thrive in containers. They require minimal maintenance while keeping your garden looking fresh and lively. Combine flowering plants with evergreen shrubs to ensure year-round beauty. Mixing textures and colors adds visual richness, making your small patio feel more dynamic. Buy young plants instead of mature ones. Watching them grow brings joy and helps you save money. Over time, they'll flourish into a lush green retreat that feels uniquely yours. creating a cozy and inviting seating area. Use second-hand or DIY furniture to save money without sacrificing style. A refurbished bench or pallet sofa can look stunning with a little sanding, paint, and creativity. Add warmth with soft outdoor cushions, throws, and a small rug to define your seating area. These cozy touches turn your patio into an inviting place to relax, read, or enjoy morning coffee. Incorporate soft lighting, like string lights or solar lanterns, to create an intimate evening ambience. The gentle glow transforms your small patio into a magical retreat after sunset. Adding personality with DIY decor. Repurpose old pots, crates, or wooden boxes into unique planters. This adds charm and sustainability to your design while saving money on store-bought decor. Paint your pots or patio wall in cheerful, earthy tones to express your personal style. Even a splash of color can change the entire mood of the space instantly. Hang macrame plant holders, handmade art, or fairy lights to personalize your space. These small creative details turn your patio into a reflection of your personality and taste. Enhancing ambience with simple touches. Add a small water feature, like a tabletop fountain or bowl of floating candles, for a relaxing touch. The sound of trickling water adds calmness and serenity to your garden corner. Use natural textures like rattan, wood, and stone to connect your patio with nature. These materials create harmony and bring timeless beauty to your small outdoor escape. Finish with scented plants such as lavender, rosemary, or jasmine. Their fragrance not only refreshes your senses but also turns your patio into a peaceful, soul-soothing sanctuary. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful way to transform your small patio into a peaceful sanctuary without spending a fortune. Every small touch, from a soothing water feature to the scent of lavender and the warmth of natural textures, helps create a space that truly feels like home. Remember, beauty doesn't depend on size. It's built through creativity, intention, and soul. Don't stop here. If you loved this transformation, you'll be completely inspired by our next video. Rustic Farmhouse Courtyard, a cozy outdoor escape full of charm. It's filled with timeless ideas to bring warmth, character, and natural beauty into your outdoor space. Click now and dive into that rustic charm waiting for you.